In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Adobe Premiere Pro in GeForce Experience. By the end, you'll have Premiere tied into your NVIDIA tools and set to use your GPU for faster, smoother performance while editing. First, head over to nvidia.com and download their app. This is the official NVIDIA software that works with your graphics card. And choose the correct download for your system, then run the installer and follow the prompts. Let it finish completely before moving on so everything initializes correctly. Next, on Windows, open the search bar and type NVIDIA Control Panel. Click to open it and give it a moment to load. This panel manages how your NVIDIA GPU interacts with specific programs. Once it's open, look to the left menu and select Manage 3D Settings. This section lets you control global graphics behavior and, importantly, program-specific overrides. Now switch to the Program Settings tab. Here, open the drop-down and look for Adobe Premiere Pro. Select it, then click Add to confirm that you want to manage Premiere with NVIDIA's settings. When it's listed, click Apply to save the changes. This step tells your system to treat Premiere as a high-priority application for GPU resources and optimization. With that set, open Adobe Premiere Pro, go to the File menu, choose Project Settings, then click General. In the General Settings window, find the Renderer option. Set it to GPU acceleration. This ensures Premiere uses your NVIDIA GPU for effects processing, playback, and rendering, which can significantly speed up your workflow and reduce stutters on complex timelines. If you have multiple projects, remember that renderer settings are per project, so it's worth quickly checking this each time you start a new one. That's it. With the NVIDIA Control Panel updated and GPU acceleration selected inside Premiere, Adobe Premiere Pro is now included for optimization features by NVIDIA GeForce Experience. This setup allows NVIDIA's software to recognize Premiere, apply recommended optimizations when available, and help make better use of your graphics hardware during editing and export. If you notice improvements in timeline responsiveness and faster render times, that's the GPU doing its job. Give everything a quick test by scrubbing a timeline or adding a few GPU-accelerated effects to confirm the change. And remember, these settings are safe to adjust later if you want to compare results. You're now set up to take advantage of NVIDIA's optimization with Adobe Premiere Pro.